Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. It's Robbie here, and it's Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. And this week, it was a struggle bus for real. All right, so Sunday, weigh-in day for me. Hopefully you all are doing great. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your progress. It encourages me, and hopefully my videos encourage you. So please comment down below, let me know. So this week, it was a struggle bus for real. Well, first of all, y'all know I was supposed to do a video on Tuesday, and I didn't. But let's start with Sunday, weigh-in day. I was already not in the best mental state. You guys know that because I was dealing with my father's health. I was dealing with finding out I have to move and trying to go to a psychiatrist, all that stuff, all happening at the same time. So first of all, my dad is doing good now. He still has to do some follow-up stuff with doctors and figure out exactly, what else can be done, but he's doing a lot better. He's home. His heart rate is normal right now. His legs are feeling better, all of that. So thank you for the concern. It means a lot. And the apartment thing, it's going to be a thing. It's going to be a thing for quite a while until I figure out what I can do, where I can go, all that jazz. But I wasn't in the best mental state. So I had made a decision, and it was a decision to eat whatever I wanted to that day and do like I used to, a couple years ago, where I'd eat whatever I want to on Sunday and then, spend the rest of the week working that back off and ending in a loss. I don't plan on doing that today. I don't love that I made that decision, but it is the decision I made. So that's where I started the week. Day one, I don't know, I didn't step on the scale Monday, but probably went up like 5 pounds from what I ate on Sunday. Monday went fine. I had no issues with Monday. But then Tuesday happened. And Tuesday's my off day. It's already a trickier day calorie-wise because I'm here. And I get bored and I eat and this and that. I get lazy, all that stuff. Well, it started with me going to my psychiatrist. I was super, super nervous because first time meeting this psychiatrist, I went in with a game plan. And then when I got there, the game plan went out the window. I forgot my list of what I wanted to talk about at home. And I was very flustered and nervous, and it didn't go how it should have. So we discussed everything that she wanted to discuss, but it didn't get the full mental picture of what's going on up here. And so she had diagnosed me with bipolar again, which we know by now I don't think I have. I'm 99% confident I don't. At least, definitely not just that. So I was flustered and, I accepted it, whatever, got the prescriptions and left. And I was very upset. I was not a happy camper at all because I felt like I did something wrong because I wasn't prepared enough. I didn't have my list with me. And I know I basically led her to that diagnosis, which is incorrect because she wasn't getting the full picture of what goes on in my world. And I'll get in more detail as far as all that goes. I think I really do want to do a video about that just for a general explanation of what it's like inside my head, which I'm 99% confident ADHD, which I had a breakthrough the other day that all of the daily struggles that I have with those type of symptoms, whether it's ADHD or not, I have those symptoms of it that have led to the deeper depressions and things like that. Sorry, I got out of the shower and my beard was wet and I just got it on my shirt. Now it's bugging me, this little, we'll just pretend that's not there. But anyway, so I was upset, and we know what happens to me very often when I am upset. I made some very, very, very poor food choices. And I was like, all right, that's fine. I'll do better the rest of the week. I'll get this back off. And then Wednesday, day 2 of this new medication, I had an allergic reaction to it. Luckily, nothing like, hives or anything like that, but I was exhausted. I mean, like Tuesday night when I took the dose, like I was supposed to on Tuesday, I slept a solid 8 hours. And I normally, like, I do really well on 5 to 7 hours. Well, uh, I took a nap that morning before trying to get ready for work because I was so exhausted after sleeping for 8 hours. And then when it came time to get ready for work, I got dizzy. And I tried leaving for work. I had to come back home because I couldn't drive like that. And I was dizzy for a solid 3 hours. And then I fell back asleep and I slept for another like 5 hours. Got up. And during all of this, like when I tried going to work, I couldn't. So I ordered some food and I was annoyed and woozy and this and that. So I ordered some comfort food and then took that long ass nap and woke up and did the same thing again. So another high calorie day. And then I proceeded to go to sleep at like 10 o'clock and sleep 8 hours. So I stopped taking the medication. I called the psychiatrist and I am seeing her again Tuesday. And this time I have my list, I have my game plan. I've talked to my therapist in detail about how I want to go about it. Because she wanted to see me just be in general, because she would maybe do one of those gene site tests, which it's a DNA swab that they can see what you could possibly have a reaction to. But like when I told her I had the reaction, her receptionist called back and started to prescribe Abilify, which I've been on, doesn't do anything for me. And that's another reason for me not believing the bipolar diagnosis. No mood stabilizer, no antipsychotic has helped, even an ounce. Like, it's not like it just hasn't helped enough and you need more of it. It hasn't touched my symptoms. But anyway, so we're going to go maybe do the gene site test. It depends if my insurance covers it, but I'm definitely going to have my list of what I need to talk to her about. And I'm going to try my best to take control of the conversation. Instead, last time I realized it just turned into her asking some questions, like, but focused on certain topics and not the grand picture of things. So, different game plan for Tuesday. But anyway, so back to this week. Thursday, did better. Friday, did better. Saturday, did fine. But let's get into the weigh-in. Sadly, but not too sad, I didn't do enough to make up for Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And not to mention on those days, not moving hardly at all. So higher calories and less calories burned equals a higher weight. So I stepped on the scale today. Well, rewind. My starting weight is 388.6. Last week, I weighed 381.2. And my current weight is 381.2. So that means I lost 0 pounds this week. But, and this is one thing that I'm trying to remind myself to focus on, and I'm sure you guys have all been there too. I have an alarm going off. I am still down 7.4 pounds, and I didn't gain anything. I had some personal reasons that for me were major why I went off the rails, and I was able to rein it back in. So while the scale might not be telling me that I have a win because I have a loss, it's a win because it's not a gain, and it's a win because this is 2 weeks now where I have messed up, for lack of a better phrasing, and I was able to rein it back in. So this week, the game plan is to hopefully not have those mess ups that I need to rein back in. But it's a process. I've got to work on it. Eventually I'll get there. You guys know I was there before. So I'm trying. I'm really, really trying. Just with all of the struggles that are going on, a little bit difficult right now. Mental health is no joke. Struggles with that, I'm sure many of you, I've read the comments, I know many of you can understand and relate how stressful and how hard and how difficult it can make things, because holy cow. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably not do a video this coming Tuesday, because this coming Tuesday I have my main doctor's appointment. Then I go to the psychiatrist, and then I have to go straight to work to do a friend's hair, because I was supposed to do it Wednesday when I had the allergic reaction, and she's getting ready to go for a vacation. So I told her I'd come Tuesday. So I'm gonna be gone from early in the morning, and then I probably won't finish her hair till like 4 or 5. So I'm not gonna feel like doing a video after that. If I do, surprise, but I'm probably not going to. I might try to give some kind of updates during the week at some point if I feel up to it. We shall see, but no promises. But I will definitely be here next Sunday for my weigh-in video and all of that. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Again, comment, let me know how you're doing on your journeys, because it truly does help me seeing your guys's successes or struggles relating to each other. That's what the whole, weight loss community is about, is being able to relate to people. And I am going to regret this whole video because of this wet spot right there. But the shirt is actually cute. I'm a big deal. Okay, sorry. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you all